Hey guys, welcome to Let's Bake and Cook Stuff. Thanks for clicking on my channel today. If you would like to see how to make this delicious lemon poppy seed coffee cake, stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to make it. I'm getting started with 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and a half a teaspoon of salt, just regular table salt, and a tablespoon of poppy seeds. I'm going to whisk that just to get it combined. Now I'm going to take a stick of butter, 1/2 a cup of butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar. This has to be beat up for about 3 or 4 minutes, so we'll be back when that happens. Okay, that's been about 4 minutes. It's nice and creamy. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, about a tablespoon of lemon zest, and beat that in, and then we're going to add our eggs. I'm going to add the eggs one at a time. Okay, now I'm going to add about 1/3 of the flour mixture and about half of the sour cream. I've got 1 cup of sour cream here, so I'm going to add half of that, then a second third of this, then the second half of that, then the last third of the flour mixture. At this point, I'm going to stop the mixer and scrape down the sides, get all that flour off of there, make sure I got everything from the bottom. Now I'm going to add in the second half of the sour cream. Okay, I want to mix that in. Now for the last part of our flour mixture, okay, I want to mix that in just to combine it. Finish the rest of it here that's stuck to the sides. I have an 8-inch square baking pan here. This has been sprayed with the baking spray that has the flour in it. Smooth out the top. Now we're going to make the topping for this delicious coffee cake. I need 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour, 2/3 of a cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of poppy seeds. This is a 1/2 cup of oatmeal, just regular old-fashioned oats, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, just regular table salt. Stir this up. Now I'm going to grate butter. This is 6 tablespoons of butter that's been in the freezer, so it's nice and frozen, so it'll grate more easily. When it's grated, it will combine more easily with our topping. Now this little butter stack is going to go right in here. Now I'm just going to mix this up with my hands and get this all nicely combined. Okay, we have a nice crumbly mixture here. Just going to go right on the top. Now if you saw my New York crumb cake video, you know I like a lot of crumbly topping on my coffee cake, and that's the same here. Okay, this is going to go into a 350-degree oven for 50 to 60 minutes, and then we'll come back, try it out. Stay tuned. Just a full disclosure, this is done. Remember I told you between 50 and 60 minutes? Well, that means check it at 50 minutes. And if it's not ready, then you put it in for maybe another 5. And if it's not ready, put it in for another 5. But it should be ready by the 60, right? For whatever reason, I set the timer for an hour. And at about 57 minutes, I started smelling, I don't think it's burned, but it's definitely, you know, well done. Anyway, don't do that. Set your timer for 50 minutes and check it. And I bet at probably about 52 minutes, this would have been done. Anyway, we're gonna let it cool off, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like inside. We'll be right back. All right, let's serve up this bad boy, shall we? It is lemon poppy seed coffee cake time. I bet you didn't know there was a specific time for that. I'm going to take this center piece right here. Well, it's the center of the side. Take a look at that. It's still nice and hot. Ooh, steamy. See that steam coming off of there? Got some powdered sugar just to make it pretty. And now you know how to make it too. Oh my gosh. All I'm saying is, you want this in your life. Try it at home. Let me know how you like it. Have you subscribed yet? Please consider subscribing to my channel if you'd like to see more videos from me and how to bake and cook stuff. You take care now. Thanks.